Hello everyone, welcome on Frog Tech Tips. I've got just special quick tips for you, especially on Honda Civic front sensor. Parking sensor is sometimes make always beep even if it's not an obstruction over here, and that's usually is because these two sensor is really crap, it's too sensitive. And also, as you can see, is this rubber is a little bit out. This one is okay, but I think it's this one, and it's actually doing that because the water going inside. As you can see, if you push it, there's no water now, but especially when freezing or snowing or raining too much, you get a constant beep. You need switching off this. How to fix this? It's use the WD-40 and just spray it over and take all of the, and then will be also fragment sensor, and doing also on this one. Just be sure. You can do on all of the 4 sensor. Just leave it for 5 minutes and just wrap it down. Later on everything will be disappear and here sensor will be good. Okay, if it's this happen again, just repeat, and if you go there fall like this, just try put some sealant over there. I will do that later to protect water not going inside. Okay, hopefully you like it. Click like, subscribe, and don't forget watch my other videos. And yeah, this can fix your parking sensor quickly as possible.